right, here we are. Papa Simon's Auto Body. You better fix the Prius up right, or I'm gonna have to go in there and tug your tongue out of your mouth. So check it out, here's the damage right here. I don't know if you can see in this lighting, but basically there's just a big white scrape right there, and then that little bit of damage right there, and then the bumper is kind of coming off. It's really not a big deal. The car's fine. It's just the fact that, you know, I want to get it fixed. I want the puppy pry to be fixed. All right, well, I'm here at Enterprise, and this is my puppy car. This is such a huge downgrade, man. They gave me this Kia Soul, and the worst part is it's like parked so badly. Like, well, who parked this thing? And like, I had to hunt for it for like 10 minutes because it was way back. Enterprise is way over there. Oh, it's hot in here, man. This is like a downgraded key to the Papa Pry, but I guess it's a little bit cooler than like the regular key because it's got that like little bit of snap, crackle, pop action. This bad boy gets 22 miles per gallon, man. The puppy Prius gets 55. It's not gonna be acceptable. And now I gotta head home. I gotta see Bales. I've actually been gone for like a long time. It doesn't seem like that long, but it's been a long time. So I'm gonna go home, I'm gonna see Bales, and then we're gonna go hang out with the Linky Bob, and we're gonna go get some food for lunch. Hello there. Good morning. Did you just wake up from a big old nap? I think you did, huh? Do you want a treat? Let's go get a treat, come on. Does she want a graham cracker? Do you want this graham cracker? In your bed. In your bed. Sit. Good girl. Now go down. Alright, now you gotta leave it there. Just go ahead and stay. Okay, go. Get it. Get it. I'm getting a call. Myself and Bales were in the car when this happened, and Bales says she's okay. She swears on it. Are you sure you're okay? Are you sure? So we just got backed into it. It wasn't a big deal. We were going like 2 miles an hour. I didn't want to make a big deal out of it. All I said to the dude was freaking out. He was like this little young 16-year-old kid. He was under his parents' insurance, and he was literally just freaking out. And so I was like, just give me your information. We'll handle it later. And so I did, and thankfully he took responsibility with his insurance, and everything was good. All right, Bales. I'm leaving. I'm leaving. Say goodbye to your horsey friend. I'll be back. Only a couple hours. 2 hours. 2 hours max. I love you. Bye. Take care of my laptop for me. We're gonna go and ride with the Linky. Just a quick local video. Why, hello there, Miss Cathenator. Check it out, we got the Delete Tinder Ride a Motorcycle key tag, and then we got that +10 puppy horsepower for the Cathenator to be hashtag goals in life. And I wonder if I can just put this thing in here. This thing might be like really annoying. Let's go. We gotta go hide this horse in the Bob over here. All right, let's go get the Linky. $21.83 of gasoline right there. Petrol ropes. All right, you go ahead and just put it back. For the homies. $21.83 still.
Good morning, Internet. Welcome to another adventure. Today I'm with the, how are you today, sir?
10 out of 15.
All right. Bob, where are we going?
I just have to get something really quick. That's it. I just wanted that. It's a Honda hubcap, and we worked with them in the past, and I didn't want it in the bush because they don't need to stoop down to my level, you know?
Did you stash this there like early in the day?
Who's that? What's wrong with you? I don't know what his problem is. Like, it's not really that big of a deal. It's just a puppy horse, Bob. Well, hello there, Papa Bobby, you know? How you doing, 5,000? What do we got here? All right, Bob, we'll leave you a puppy stick, but we're not going to give it to you. We're going to pack it under the tush. That way no one will get it before you see this video, unless they really go digging.
If we mix them together, they'll turn green. What color does red and yellow make?
She says she's just about had it. I always forget. There's ants on this puppy bad boy.
No, there's not.
There's ants crawling around on the opener. Hey, are you suburban delinquent?
It's a nice bike you got there, sir.
Thank you.
You look familiar.
Eli's nephew.
That's right.
Yeah.
Did you know because of that day, you got me in trouble?
That was funny.
You know what else is funny? This.
I put that in there.
Oh, you put that in Bob's pocket?
Invite him along on this video. Come on.
Oh, yeah. I gotta invite you along. And then you're gonna get a ticket? Yeah.
Yeah. We're just gonna ride away.
By chance, if you get pulled over while we're on our way,
Yeah,
you're on your own, bud.
that's fair.
But we're going to Jitboy's Taco, so you can meet us there and still pay for the food. This horse needs a drink.
Fine, we're gonna take a stupid Vroom Vroom Dana thing. We're gonna give it a drink too.
Okay, there's consequences for this.
No, you probably won't actually care about what I'm about to do, to be completely honest.
Show me.
But you'll never get it back. No, give it a drink.
As long as it's not my GoPro battery, or my GoPro remote, or my key. What do I do?
You gonna give it a drink or not? Doesn't even matter.
I'm not really doing that.
You see that? You see how he's leaving that Vroom Vroom Dana thing behind? He'd do the same thing to you if we get pulled over. What the heck, man? What the stinking heck, man? Do you know what this means? Do you know what this means I gotta do? Ow! I was just waving at you, Diana. I just want to say I like your toe ring. I just wanted to say hi. Here we are, beautiful Laguna Beach, home of exotic cars, home of beautiful bikini babes, home of $1 million mansions, home of at least one person named Seymour. Pit stop. Pistopio. Pistopio. Pop 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 pop. Oh, sorry, I didn't mean to have you see that. That's kind of embarrassing, actually. I'm just here for the puppy sauce. All right, bye. Actually, you know what? We'll do a little bit of sweeping in real quick. Just a little bit. Just a little bit over here. Yep. Just a little bit of that. All right. All right, let's go. Let's go get some tox. 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 All right, the link, Stoddard Wells Road. What'd you think?
I thought it was 6 sand dunes out of 2. How does this location compare to the other one?
Last time it made me feel like I wanted to do a somersault. This time it makes me feel like a flamingo, hence the one leg up. I'll be back tomorrow. You're not recording. You big old noob.
I haven't been to the other one, but I'd say I'd be here again.
I have a GT.
Right on. We're doing outros.
2000.
We're doing outros.
I got the R.S.M mirrors on mine.
We're doing
I
outros.
don't have the I like the mirrors a whole lot better. The other ones look like shit.
Let's continue.
I was going to ask you how you saw it.
I thought like he might have known you or something.
Big, huge shout out to all the Patreons of the channel, and you guys make it all worth it. You guys help me put gas in the bike, and you guys help me put gas in the bike.
Thanks for waiting for us, Papa Jimmy. Enjoy that 24-minute parking. What is the meaning of this? Were you sleeping all this time? You're a good girl. I know I said 2 hours and I was gone for like 4. Delinky and I, we went on a big old trip. We got some talks. We should have brought you home some, but I couldn't. I love you. Mwah. Mwah. Do you by any chance want some... Do you want some yummies? Do you want yummies? Let's go get them. Come on. Let's go. Let's go. Come on. Here's your cup. Let's go. Come on. Show me. Where are they? What is this? Let's go. Go get them. Go. Show me how it's done. In your bed. Sit. Stay. Oh, you can't even handle it. Now you gotta wait. Oh, the Bez is drooling everywhere. Good girl. That's a good girl. Give it back. Give me that back. Give it back right now. Come on. Right now. Ha-ha. Now go get it. All right. So that's going to cut it for today. Actually, we'll do some mirror stuff. Actually, my pants are like unzipped. So, thank you so much for watching. Today was kind of a short day, but I'm going to be going out with Sub D and Rennie Bear 5000. And we're going to be going out. It's Friday night. We got this Papa helmet right here. Got me through the day. SuburbanOlympic.com/thekleb and VossHelmetsUSA.com/thekleb. Among other links will get you to different places. Like you can go to myspace.com/elbowsauce556 and you can go and see some cool stuff there too. But I wouldn't recommend it because if your tonsils aren't ready for it, you probably won't be able to handle it. So thank you so much for watching. We're gonna go end it with the Rooster Bob. Bales, got anything else to say? Anything at all? All right, thank you so much for watching. I will see you next time.